Imagine this. Your Instagram post is stuck at 11 likes. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to jump that to 1,000 real likes for only $1.45. Instagram engagement can feel impossible and most services are overpriced. That's why in 2025, Nizop is the cheapest SMM panel for bot Instagram likes, fast, safe, and easy to use. First, click the Nizop link in my description below. Log in or sign up, then click Deposit to top up your balance. You can pay with card, crypto, bank transfer, or other methods, whichever works best for you. And here's a bonus. The higher your top-up, the more credit you get. For example, $75 gives you an extra $6.20 for free. Next, go to All Services, choose Instagram and scroll until you see Instagram likes, not guaranteed. Select the first option. Instagram likes, real mixed, high drop, 50% plus, standard 5,000 divided by day. That's the one we're using today. Now, paste your Instagram post link here in this video. I'm using this account. Just ensure it's public so the order can be processed. If it's private, it will not be successful. Next, enter your amount. For this, we'll choose 1,000 likes for just $1.45, which is very cheap. Then hit Order Now. Done. And after just a second, you'll see an order success screen instantly. Let's see it live. This account had fewer than 15 likes on a post. After placing the order, please refresh the page after about 20 minutes, and voila, the likes start pouring in. From a dead post to over 1,000 likes, all delivered fast. Now, let's talk about why this actually works. Think about it. What's the very first thing people notice when they land on your Instagram post? It's not your caption. It's not your hashtags. It's that little number sitting under your photo. Likes are social proof. If your post has only a handful, people scroll right past. But if it shows hundreds or even thousands, they stop. They think, okay, this must be worth my time. And Instagram's algorithm notices too. When a post suddenly gains significant engagement, it is marked as trending content. That pushes it into explore pages, hashtags, and more feeds, which means even new people who've never seen you before are suddenly finding your profile. This isn't just about flexing numbers, it's about building momentum. More likes means more reach, and more reach signifies more followers. And once you look credible, you open the door for collabs, shoutouts, and even brand deals. The best part? Instead of waiting months hoping people will notice, you can speed it up with Nizop. Try it yourself. 1,000 Instagram likes for just $1.45 on Nizop. Sign up, deposit, place your order, and watch your likes explode. And since you stayed until now, I'm giving 3 of you 100 free likes. Just comment your IG post link and Nizop username below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next Nizop tutorial.